Hi, and welcome to English with Confidence. Now, we know that compliment means two different things, but it can be hard to remember which version takes an E and which takes an I. So I'm here to help with that. Compliment with an E refers to something that improves something else. For instance, the wine they served really complemented the meal. In other words, the wine made the meal even better. Compliment with an I refers to making a remark to praise or admire someone. For instance, Bill complimented my photography. In other words, Bill said something to praise or admire my photography. So here's how to remember. Compliment with an E is the same first 6 letters as complete. So when a wine complements a meal, it improves or completes it. When a hat complements an outfit, it improves or completes it, and so on. What about compliment with an I? Well, we all love to be praised or admired, so remember that compliment with an I is all about me or I. Another way to remember is that when someone compliments another person, they're giving them their own opinion of you. They're telling you what they think. So when Bill complimented me on my photography, he probably told me, "You take great photos." But what he actually meant was, "I think that you take great photos." So compliments are what I think of someone else. These rules apply to nouns as well as to verbs, by the way. So it's your turn. Should we spell compliment with an E or an I in the examples below? She wants to compliment you on the delicious risotto. The salad was an excellent compliment to the risotto. Pause the video if you need a moment to think. And here come the answers. So firstly, she wants to compliment you on the delicious risotto takes an I because she's giving you praise and admiration. She's saying, "I think that your risotto is delicious." Then the salad was an excellent compliment to the risotto takes an E because the salad is not telling the risotto, "I think you're excellent." It's improving or completing it. Hope you got them right. And that's it. A quick, easy one today. Please do like and subscribe for more weekly tips. Thanks and see you next time.